Hi, Amy here, and today I'm really excited to share what I like to call a publishing superpower. This is something where you can actually tap into this regularly to help you create high quality content. Because creating content is one of the things that can really help you be successful in terms of publishing and connecting with people in your niche, but it can also be very tiring. So if you're looking for a content shortcut, I'm really excited to share one with you today. And that is public domain. Public domain is super exciting because it's basically an unlimited stream of free content that has been newly released and will continue to be released each and every year. In the United States, we had a period of quite a long time where there wasn't any new public domain content being released because of laws that had been passed by big companies who didn't want their content to get out there. But that time period is past now, and there's been a lot of newly released content into the public domain, and now there will continue to be each and every year. We're talking about all types of content, things like research, articles, books, film and videos, photographs, illustrations, and maps. Pretty much any type of format of content can be found in the public domain. Now, this is content that's been released for personal and commercial use. It has no copyright restrictions. So, for example, you could use Charlie Chaplin movies, Robert Frost poetry, or Felix the Cat cartoons. You can do whatever you want to with it. Now, I did mention some of the content that's a little bit older, but public domain content is not all old content. Many people actually create works and release them into the public domain, and then again, you're free to use it. And this can include books, music, images, same types of other types of content you'll find normally in the public domain. And you can also find a lot of government content as well. So let me show you a quick example. So this is what's called the World Fact Book, and this is published by the CIA, which is a U.S. governmental agency. And it says here it provides information on history, people, for 267 world entities, things like world travel facts, country summaries, regional and world maps, flags, and more. So for example, here is a one-page PDF summary of Austria. So this is the type of thing you could use in your own content if you're putting together maybe educational content or something like that. And if you go here to their site policies, it says unless a copyright is indicated, information on the website is in the public domain. So this is just one example out of many of actually current content that you can use right now that is in the public domain. So just to recap, public domain content is free. You can alter it in any way. You can use it in videos, edit it, change it, use it as is, and it can be repurposed. So you can either not do anything with it or take it and change it up a lot. So it's incredibly versatile. So if you want to learn more about public domain and get access to a lot of different public domain resources, my comprehensive training, PD Goldmine, will show you how to create content, create specific types of content with public domain. And it's perfect for authors, content marketing people, digital product creators. As I mentioned, public domain is not just the same old stuff. There's a lot of new content there and good content that's being released. And so this is definitely something you'll want to take advantage of.